Hey guys, it is Minecrafter6336 with my little nephew Tanner.
Hi.
And today I am doing update number 2 on niicks build server. So let's go ahead and start off. So here's just some, like, if donate and stuff. Hang on, let me tell him I'm recording.
They disappear.
Shh. So here is TNT run. So in development, coming soon. So TNT run. Back here, I do not know.
Okay, Tanner.
And then over here is builds. So
are you doing that one?
and sorry guys, I was talking to my mom. My little nephew has to go to bed. So all the niicks Call of Duty maps. This is builds. So if you go over here, it says you can do dash warp, carrier, grind, whatever, high rise, Yemen, hijacked, meltdown, vertigo, and then plots. And today, guys, we got 2 new 4-wheelers. So, and this is his builds. Over here is, what is this? Leaderboards. Oh, this is infected. He has infected, and this is update number 2. Sorry if I didn't tell you guys before. Over here is this is Hunger Games, the Hunger Games, and then tells you stuff to leave, how you want to, if you want to leave, and what's this? Join stats, leave, tells you stuff, and then join stats. Well, I do not know what this is, guys, so you have to come and play it, figure it out. So parkour, and of course in development. So something else. TNT run in development. Let's go through this. I don't know. Oh, can't go through there. Well, guys, this has just been a real quick little preview thing for niicks build server. It'll be in the description, and it's a very good server. Most of the time he's on, but right now it's just me and 3 other people. It is laid out. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys, and bye.